If you have a particular data, then what you can do is let DeepSeek work as a data analyst and generate a chart out accordingly. So to do that, if I were to click on, let's say, the attachment button right here, just like this, then I can just, let's say, for example, attach out this data Excel sheet right here. So now once that is done, I can simply go ahead and, let's say, for example, tell analyze the data of this spreadsheet, just like this. So I can simply go ahead and do that. So I can say analyze the data of this spreadsheet and then generate a chart using HTML out of it, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and then hit send right here, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and then it will simply go ahead and then generate it out, as you can see, by analyzing the data just like that. So this is what you have. It's using Canvas, as you can see right here, just like this. And then you can simply go ahead and generate it out right here. So just go ahead, and if I were to hit run HTML right here, then what happens is that you can see that I get a chart right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with DeepSeek and generate out data just like this, as you can see. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.